we made it to the beach. We're hanging out here. We tried to go to one beach, but it was so crowded. So we kind of drove around and we found like a more locals beach. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty low key. There's not a whole lot of people here.
Daddy, can you come in the water
And the kids are enjoying it. They've been playing in the sand.
Okay,
Say hi, Nene. Say hi.
Hey.
Here's a sand castle. They even put in a little pool down there with a slide. Pretty creative.
This is cool.
You like your sand castle?
Yeah. Going in the water. Yeah.
Ah, that's gonna be so cold. All right, here we go, Nate. This poor girl's freezing. Wesley, what are you doing? Are you dancing? Ah, what a goof. You wanna go lay by Wes? Does that sound good?
Leslie, what are you? What?
He's a mermaid. Oh, he's a fish. What are you?
A fish.
Nice. Nene, did you do this to him? That's awesome. Good job. What's that, Nate? What's that?
Mommy, don't go scare him.
You want me to go scare him?
I want you to go scare him.
All right. Here I go.
See my family.
I scared him for you. I scared him for you. What'd you say?
Said, did it fly?
He flew away into the ocean.
Thank you.
Oh! The fish is out. The fish is out of the bowl. Nene, you want to turn? All right, let's do it. There's Nene the mermaid. Kinda. It's my turn to be a fish. Ooh. Nice. Woo. Are you trying? Almost. Almost. Try again. Ah, he's so close. You want me to help you? Okay, try again. There we go. Woo. What are you doing? Hey! Don't do that. Hey! Don't do that. Hey, I get you. I get you. I get you. Holy cow. Oh, gross. Hey, pretty girl. Well, today was a fun day. We kind of hung out around the hotel this morning, and Travis ended up getting off work early, so we went to the beach and spent a few hours there. Now we're back at the hotel in the hot tub, just kind of unwinding. Ooh, Bubbles!
Boo-boo.
Whoa, where'd Nene go? There you are.